Hello and welcome to Erwin's Megastore. Today we're going to be unboxing this right here, the Klarstein Vesuvio pizza oven. Let's do this. So here you have it, the Klarstein Vesuvio pizza oven. Let's go through what it comes with. There's the pizza oven itself, as well as a pizza tray, as you can see, with the lid. And at the bottom is a shelf for your crumbs. So cleaning it is super easy. There we go. The oven can reach temperatures of 65 to 300 degrees Celsius. So it gets hot. It gets real hot. Heat is created from the top and the bottom, so your pizzas can get nice and crispy. This pizza oven will allow those of you who have food stands, food kiosks or snack trucks to serve even the hungriest of customers some crispy pizzas, just like in Italy. The pizza oven has controls right over there. You can set a timer for about 15 minutes and change the temperature right over there and switch it on and off. And thanks to its stainless steel exterior and interior, it's super easy to clean. Okay, let's look at the scale of this pizza oven. It's not a massive pizza oven, but it's decently sized, as you can see. There you go. The scale. The banana scale. So here you have it, the Klarstein Vesuvio pizza oven. Serve all those customers those delicious crispy pizzas in a very short time in a very cool oven. Here you go. Klarstein Vesuvio pizza oven. Enjoy, and enjoy your pizzas. And I hope your customers enjoy your pizzas.